Okay, let's read another book. Over and Under the Rainforest. Into the rainforest we hike through slivers of sunlight and dripping wet leaves. Up in the trees there's a symphony of sound, chatters and chirps, and a howling roar. What's up there? I whispered. Up in the trees, Tito asked. Up in the trees is a whole hidden world, a ride of monkeys and insects and birds. We're hiking under them now. Up in the trees, oropendolas gurgle in low swinging nests. Toucans croak and bicker over breakfast. Down in the forest, I followed Tito along the trail, while a goddess searched the ground for fallen fruit. Yeah. On the footbridge we climb up, up, up. Tito rests to catch his breath before we cross over the river below. Up in the trees, long-nosed bats sleep away the dead in a row, all in a row. You guys see the bats? Down on the bank, sleepy crocodiles bask in the sun. As we cross an emerald basilisk races races us to the other side, barely skimming the river's surface. Peter and I laugh at his fast, funny legs, and we wish we could walk on water too. Basilisk walks on the water. Pretty cool. We scramble over roots and rocks, climbing higher into the trees. A poison dart frog makes his way up a trunk with a tadpole on his back. There's the poison frog, this little tadpole on the back. Our hanging bridge teeters and tips with every wobbly step. It's a suspension bridge. I keep a tight grip on the rail so I won't fall off. We're eye to eye with capuchin monkeys. Ooh, 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 ooh. They hold on with arms and legs and tails, swinging through branches up here in the trees. Look at those capuchins. They don't look like the ones there at the zoo, though. Maybe they're a different type. My stomach grumbles and Tito reaches into the pack. We snack on dried mangoes and pineapple while the monkeys feast on wild almonds. Way down below, a leaf cutter ants march in line, carrying bits of leaves and petals on their back. A long snouted anteater snuffles along, sniffing for a meal of his own. Run away, ants. The anteater's gonna get you. Run away. The afternoon rain begins with a pitter soft drumming on the leaves up above. Soon it swells into a strong rushing pour, and all the world feels dripping and wet. A blue morpho butterfly folds her wings and tucks away on a tree trunk. High in the branches, a soggy mother sloth and her baby sleep through the storm. There's the sloth and the baby. There's the morpho. Mommy and me went to the Amazon. It was so cool. You guys will have to go. Deep in the forest, the rain lets up. A parrot snake races over the trail, long and slender and green. Oh no, Daddy does not like snakes. She's hunting for frogs. Tito says as the snake's skinny tail disappears in the leaves. Up in the trees, an eyelash palm pit viper hunts too, curled up around a branch, patient and silent and still until it strikes, ja, and gets its meal. Lots of snakes in the rainforest. Maybe I don't want to go again. No, I really do. High in the canopy, a furry dark shadow clings to a branch. Tito lifts his hands into his mouth. He sends a roar to the sky. The forest waits quietly. What do you guys think this is? Is it a howler monkey? Then comes the answer, a thunder of howler monkeys up in the trees. They're very loud. When mommy heard them and daddy in the rainforest, in the Amazon, it was almost scary how loud they were. But they're not really scary. They're just marking their territory. Their their calls quiet down as the blue sky grows dark. Night falls fast in the rainforest. Our walk through the treetops is through. At the base of the bridge, an orbed spider weaves her web, a golden tapestry that will catch the moonlight and insects tonight. Oh my goodness, look at that humongous spider. So we went on hikes at night through the Amazon. It was so scary. Spiders as big as this. Oh. Anyways, I kept mommy safe. There's a sudden sharp snap, and I freeze in my tracks. A crack of a branch, a long, loud rustle, then quiet again. Maybe it's a jaguar waking to hunt. Night is her time for growling and prowling through the shadows of the rainforest floor. Whoa, look at that jaguar. Run away, guys, run away. See, maybe this is a sloth and a snake and some other night creatures. The bats. I run to catch up with Tito as we cross the last bridge home. Abuelita will have supper waiting for us. Arroz con pollo, chicken, and spices with rice. The sky grows dark, and the birds return to their nest. I spy a squirrel cuckoo, a woodpecker, a marmot, flying home through the trees. Their songs fade away as the choir of insect in the rain fills the dusk. A night song of darkness and water and life over us, under us, and all around us. Ooh, 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 ooh. See the monkey jumping? Very pretty. The rainforest is a very unique place. We're lucky to have experienced it, and I hope you guys read about it so that when we go visit, you can experience it in a more meaningful way. Good night. Love you.